What is the meaning of call on somebody? Ask for an answer or opinion, or to visit somebody. Example, my mother called on me, but I didn't want to answer because her dress was horrible. Example, my friends called on me this weekend because I was ill and I couldn't go out. What is the meaning of fall out? To become loose and unattached from your mouth or head. Example, I've seen my hair is falling out more nowadays. What is the meaning of get around? I will tell you in the next video. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuándo subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo vídeo. Thank you, bye bye.